Hello, my dear friends and my dear viewers. I often get asked, where can I buy budget-friendly real estate in the Dominican Republic? Where to find cheap apartments here? Where to find affordable apartments to live in the Dominican Republic within the $150,000 range? So not only that you have a budget-friendly option, but you can live in a beautiful place, in a scenic place, and so that you can rent this property out and that you can also live near the ocean. Today we're going to have a look at these type of units. They are right in the center of Las Terrenas. They're right behind me. They are right on the ocean, right here in Puerto Plaza. Now let's go have a look. Now first of all, we're going to have a look and see what is this hotel complex like. Like I said previously, it is called Puerto Plaza. It has 3 stories. It is right on the ocean front. Nearby also you have all your stores, your bars, your restaurants, your cafes. So this is right in the heart of where all the action takes place. Here in the morning you can have a cup of coffee in a local cafe with a croissant or an omelette and enjoy the beautiful view that you have of the ocean right in front of you right here. So right here in the center of it all, like I said, this is the heart of the city. You have everything that you need and the ocean is just a stone's throw away. Now, of course, one of the downsides is that you're right next to the road and you have a lot of noise coming from it. But you have to keep in mind that you can't go anywhere without this noise because this is right in the center of town. However, once you get inside of the unit, you have magnificent sound isolation and you don't hear anything from the streets. Also, right here, we have a pool. And on the other side right there, we have another swimming pool. I think this is a wonderful place. This is a hotel. And inside of this hotel, some of the units are up for sale. And I might add, not a typical unit, but a very unusual in the good sense unit. And if you have paid attention, this hotel was built in the shape of a ship. As you can see for yourself right on the pictures right here, the shape of a very big and luxurious yacht. Now, it's broken up into 2 corpuses, 3 floors each of them has. The first floor is an office space. You have some tourist agencies, cafes, restaurants. You can see right below us, we have a very interesting inner court where all the cafes and restaurants are located and where the people sit and enjoy themselves. And here's the one corpus and here's the second corpus. Each corpus has its own swimming pool. You also have a bar available right here. And right here to our back, we have a view of the city itself. So this is a very good central location, which adds to the fact that it is constantly full. Year-round, this hotel is booked out by tourists because of its interesting layout and also because of its key location and accessibility to everything. So if you're planning to use a unit here as an investment, this is a very wonderful opportunity. Plus, if you're planning to use it for your own personal use, it's a very interesting place to live because everything is nearby. So let's go have a look at the unit. It is located right in the bow of this ship hotel, and I have to say that it has a very interesting layout, especially with the door. I mean, the door looks as if it was taken off a ship, so the theme is kept up with even inside the units. Right at the entrance, right in the hallway, we have a very big full bathroom. Very spacious, very clean. We have a big mirror right here. Also, I have to say it's very interesting with the sea-ocean theme with the ship in conjuncture. I mean, even here, have a look at the window that lets in the air ventilation that fights the mold because we live in a tropical climate. Even the window itself is as if it was from a ship. And at the same time, you feel as if you're in a 5-star hotel. All the materials here are of the best quality. A lot of effort was put into this unit and into the hotel itself in general. So the surface area of this unit is 623 square feet. And here to our left side, right next to the bathroom, we have the bedroom with a king-sized bed. You have everything that you need here. You have a storage space, a safe. Also here you have air conditioning, places where you can hang your clothing. So a very comfy little bedroom. And also everything's open right here. We have the sliding doors and access to the living room, but of course you can close them if your heart so wishes. Yeah, this door right here, it closes. It's a sliding door right here, and We have this private little area, this bedroom to ourselves now. It's very quiet here, very peaceful here. Alright, then that was the bedroom. Now let's go have a look at the other half of this unit. So let's open up the door right here. And right away out of the bedroom, we have access to this very big and spacious living room. Brand new furniture, big sofa. Here you can lay down, just enjoy yourself. Here we have a TV, and also under the television we have a little work area. Also we have here satellite television, just in case you're wondering. Right there's the box up there. Wi-Fi, the internet, everything is connected here. So here we go out of the living room and into the kitchen area. Here we have a little table. Here is our full kitchen. Everything that we need is here. We have a very big refrigerator, a sink, a gas stove, an oven. Also right above us we have a microwave. So all the necessary kitchen appliances and amenities are at your disposal. Everything that you need for a comfortable life you have right here in this unit. Now let's go have a look at the little terrace, the balcony area. Right out here we have a wonderful view of the ocean right in front of it. And of course, all of my units come with a little pleasant surprise. We have a jacuzzi right here. Here you can have yourself a nice bubble bath and just enjoy yourself with a glass of champagne or a cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like. And just enjoy this marvelous view that is available. Here you can sit in the evening and just enjoy everything that Dominican Republic has to offer to you in all of its natural beauty. Now this is a pretty spacious terrace area right here, but the view is what sells it all, I think, in my opinion. For this price and this close to the ocean, it can't get any better than this. And just look at the beautiful blue Atlantic Ocean with the palm trees and the sandy beaches. It can't get any better in my opinion. So this is one of the options that are available out of my listings. I think this is a very good opportunity for those of you guys that are looking for something more budget friendly and yet close to the ocean. This unit has just been listed. It has just been put up for sale, and I forgot to tell you guys the price, but it is $150,000 US. $150,000 for such a key central location for a small but pretty compact unit. You know, for two people, for one person, for a small family with one child. I think this is a great option, and also as an investment, I think it is even a better option. Because these type of units always have a high occupancy rate. They're in a central location right next to the ocean. And the surface area is pretty decent considering the unit you get. So these units have a high turnover rate. These units go for about $100 to $150 per night. And these units get rented out year round. And it doesn't matter what the season is, holidays or no holidays. And to further back up my numbers, we're going to go downstairs to the reception, have a look at the numbers that are offered, the prices at the reception itself. So here we are at the reception at Puerto Plaza. Yeah, it's pretty nice here. They got the fishes here, keeping up with the ocean theme. And right here at the desk, you can book yourself a number or a unit. And now let's go have a look at the prices that are offered here. And even here in the reception, the ship theme keeps on going with the windows, as you can see for yourself. And here we are. Here we have a picture of Las Terrenas. The beaches and the corals, they just get me every time. I just think that's just a natural beauty. I don't have any words to describe how beautiful it is to me and how I love living here. And also right here, you can see for yourself on this picture right here where the hotel is located. Here, this is where Puerto Plaza is located, the two corpuses right here. And right here on the nose, right here where I'm pointing at, is where the unit is located that we just had a look at. So you can see for yourself, we are located right in the heart of the city. The beaches is just a stone throws away. Further out into the distance, we have stores. So right in the center of all the life in the city. I just showed you that, guys, so that you understand where the unit is located more comprehensively. Now, the price is $150,000. And here, the costs per night per unit. So here we fall into the second category. Two people unit with a ocean view, $198 US per night. Now this is from the hotel itself, so you saw the numbers yourselves. So do the math. $198 per night. 20% the hotel will take for all the management fees and taking care of the unit itself without any work coming from you. So about $150 to $160 per night. So that's what you'll get per night. Now let's do the math. We got a unit for $150,000. You rent it out for $150 per night, multiplied by 20 days, considering the fact that this unit won't always be occupied and you'll need cleaning days and whatnot. And we get $3,000 per month, and we take $3,000 multiplied by 12, and all in all we get $36,000 per year. You take that and you multiply it by 4 or 5 years, and there you go. There's your return on investment. Also, I might add, these units are fully supported by the hotel. All the cleaning and everything that is concerned with that, the hotel does that for you, so they will always be clean and in top condition. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. All my personal contact information is in the description below, and I'll see you next time in my future videos.